Introducing a truly mobile logistics solution by Newcastle. The Newcastle Mobile Cart, battery-powered and with printing technology by Epson, is a perfect workflow upgrade to any warehouse or logistics company looking for cost-effective productivity at their business. The mobile cart is designed to hold and power a computer, a monitor, a barcode scanner, a label printer, and an office printer, delivering true mobility for all crucial labeling and paperwork demands that logistics management entails. Easily print packing slips, bills of lading, shipping labels, and compliance documentation in any area. The potential benefits of upgrading your current workflow with the Newcastle Mobile Cart include reduced internal order cycle time, reduced labeling errors, increased on-time shipments, and increased productivity. Powered with an Epson inkjet printing solution, the mobile cart can run up to 24 hours per dual battery pack affixed to the cart thanks to the printer's low energy consumption. The Epson Workforce WF M5299 printer uses up to 60% less power than a monochrome laser printer. It also has fewer printer replacement parts and high ink yields, with savings up to 40% on replacement ink packs versus mono laser toner. And with the ColorWorks label printer, you can also get color-on-demand customized label printing. The Newcastle Mobile Cart solution with Epson technology is changing the logistics environment by saving back-and-forth user walking time to current workflow fixed stations. Assess your current warehouse workflow and learn about the potential benefits of upgrading to a Newcastle mobile solution.